Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Divyank. Your mic is not working, Divyank Mishra. Then how will we talk if your mic is not working, Divyank? Huh? What kind of weird sound it's making? Okay. So no talking, only chatting today, huh? Yes, Divyank. Good morning,
Good
Adarsh
morning, ma'am.
Beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine. Good morning, Pratyush. Okay, Divyank, then you open your camera if the mic is not working, right? Divyank? Okay, right. I think yesterday class we left on the question answer discussion part, right?
Ma'am, I think we have done all the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. So then because today it is geography class, so shall we start geography today? Or you
Yes,
people
ma'am.
have some query?
Ma'am,
Okay, geography,
geography.
fine. Fine, 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 fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am, can
morning.
you tell the map work of chapter 2 of geography?
Okay, I think I shared with you people as well, but still I'll tell, no issues. See, in geography, good morning, Abhinav. For physical features of India, you have a map on, see, in my book, it is on page number 10. I don't know on which page number you have in your book because my book is quite old and you people must be having the new edition of the book, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, page number 8 and 9.
Okay. So the map that the complete map where it is written India relief.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This whole map, I told you that the markings that are given, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yes, ma'am.
that you have to do,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Um, for first chapter, would you like to revise the first chapter through PPT or shall we go for something else?
Ma'am, you can start the ma'am third chapter. Ma'am, first chapter is easy.
Fine. Okay. So the new chapter is drainage chapter, right? I think we started with this chapter, no class?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
One of the classes I think we started, just the introduction part I discussed with you people. It was a combined
I
class.
mean, this class it's not done.
Okay, maybe. So what do you know about drainage? Can anybody tell? Class, can any one of you tell what is drainage? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you know what is the drainage?
Ma'am, drainage is a type of passage through which the water which is being thrown out by the houses are gone through.
But this drainage is not like that. See, this drainage is basically a river system of an area. The river system of an area. Right? Now, what is a river system? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Anybody
No,
in the
ma'am.
class?
Ma'am, I know the examples.
Okay, don't give example. Acha, chalo, give example, then I'll ask.
Ma'am, the Ganga River system.
Okay, fine. Now, see, river system is basically a system which is made by the main river and its tributaries which are there. Right?
Ma'am, like one.
Like he gave this example. No, Bushra, good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. How are you? I thought you have taken TC from the school.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Actually, ma'am, there is some problem.
हाँ कोई problem नहीं है. No issues. Now everything is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Chalo. So when we say drainage, we are basically talking about the river system of an area. And when we say river system is made up by the main river and the tributaries that are there. I hope these two things are clear to you people,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, in this chapter, we are going to read about the river system of two rivers. The Himalayan river system we are going to read and the peninsular river system we are going to read. Right? Now, when we talk of the Himalayan river system, we are talking about those rivers that originate from the Himalayas. And when we say peninsular river system, we are talking about the river system, the rivers that originate from the plateau region. Right?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Now, when we say Himalayan river system, we are talking about large basins and the catchment area that they have. Now, what is this catchment area? Do you know? Anybody in the class who could tell?
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, what?
Catchment area.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Rohan?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Do you know what is this catchment area?
No, ma'am.
चलिए कोई इशू नहीं है, ये चीज वैसे भी आप लोगों के लिए न्यू होगी. See, catchment area is basically the area that is referred for the area of the land over which the rain falls. Right? Suppose like we have the rain that falls, it goes into the river and then it goes into the river basin. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जो लार्ज एरियाज होते हैं रिवर बेसिन्स के, सॉरी रिवर सिस्टम के, उनको हम रिवर बेसिन बोलते हैं. ठीक है? लार्ज एरियाज ऑफ लार्ज रिवर सिस्टम जो होता है, जो बड़ी रिवर्स का जो सिस्टम होता है, उनको हम बोलते हैं बेसिन, रिवर बेसिन. और जो स्मॉल रिवर्स या लेक्स और टैंक्स होते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं वाटरशेड. क्या बोलते हैं?
Watershed.
Watershed. See why I am telling you these words, because these words are there in the chapter, and when we'll be reading, when I'll be explaining, you will come across certain difficulties in understanding. So these words you can write somewhere so that later on when you are reading, you don't face any problem. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, I told you drainage, right? Then I told you about river system. Written? Then comes the river basin. Beta, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm written.
Yes, ma'am.
Written? Okay, can you repeat the words that I have given, Rohan?
Ma'am, one was
Drainage.
ma'am drainage,
Then
and ma'am ma'am what
catchment area.
watershed,
Watershed.
watershed and catchment, and watershed and catchment area.
Okay, catchment area I gave you, then I gave you watershed, drainage, river system, catchment area, then watershed. These 4 words, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes.
what is,
Ma'am, can you tell the meaning of catchment area again?
हाँ बेटा, कैचमेंट एरिया वो एरिया होता है जहाँ पे जिस जगह पे बारिश गिरती है, ठीक है, और उस पूरे लैंड एरिया को कवर करती है, और वो जो पानी बारिश का गिरता है वो रिवर बेसिन में जाता है, रिवर्स को फीड करता है, वो फेड करता है ना? उन एरियाज
Okay,
में,
ma'am. Understood,
उन
ma'am.
एरियाज में जो भी, हाँ, उन एरियाज में जो भी रिवर्स होती हैं उनको वो पानी देता है, और फिर वो अल्टीमेटली रिवर बेसिन बनाता है. अब ये रिवर बेसिन क्या होता है? रिवर बेसिन इज बेसिकली the area that is drained by a single river system. इसको हम ड्रेनेज सिस्टम भी बोलते हैं, या फिर इसको हम रिवर सिस्टम, रिवर बेसिन भी बोलते हैं. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, देन कमिंग टू दिस, फिर वाटर, हमने आपको बताया रिवर बेसिन जो है लार्ज रिवर्स का होता है, और जो स्मॉल जो वाटर बॉडीज होती है, जैसे आपकी स्मॉल रिवर्स हो गई, आपके लेक्स हो गए, पॉन्ड्स हो गए, ये जो है इनको हम वाटरशेड बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं इनको हम?
Watershed.
वाटरशेड.
Watershed.
Right. Right. Now I was telling you about the Himalayan river system. See, we will be reading about Himalayan river system, peninsular river system. These two clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
be reading, then we will be reading about when we will be reading about the Himalayan river system, we will be reading about Indus River, Ganga River, and the Brahmaputra River. Right? And then when we'll be reading about the peninsular river system, we all know that peninsular rivers are those rivers which originate from the plateau region. And there are 2 categories of the peninsular rivers. One category of the peninsular river flows towards the east and the one flows towards the west, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
tell me, if you know, it's just your general knowledge, if you really know about it, can you tell me the names of the east flowing rivers of Peninsular Plateau?
Ma'am, Krishna. Ma'am, Kaveri.
Hmm.
Godavari.
Okay. One more.
Ma'am, Godavari.
Godavari, somebody said.
And I think Ganga also.
No. Ganga is a Himalayan river, not a peninsular river. It is Mahanadi.
Yes, ma'am, Mahanadi. And
Right.
Narmada,
But
ma'am?
ma'am, Mahadadi goes from Bihar, I think so.
नहीं तो ईस्ट फ्लोइंग है ना बेटा पर वो.
Okay, ma'am.
देखो ओडिशा, देखो फाइनली क्या है, ओडिशा से वो ड्रेन होती है, ठीक है. ओडिशा, बिहार,
Yes,
महाराष्ट्र, these are the 3 states which are benefited by this river,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Now talking about the west flowing rivers, only 2 rivers are west flowing. Can you name them?
Ma'am, Indus and Tapi.
Indus nahi, Tapi is correct.
Oh, ma'am, Narmada, ma'am.
Narmada, exactly. Narmada and Tapi, these are the 2 rivers that flow towards the west. And you know what is the distinct feature of these 2 east flowing and west flowing rivers?
Ma'am, what?
What is the different feature of these 2 rivers that flow?
Ma'am, this is useful for Gujarat and Rajasthan area.
Other than that,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, boat rides from Aravalli Hills.
no. Okay, I'll tell you. See, the different feature or the distinct feature is that the west flowing rivers that of peninsular plateau, they do not make deltas. They make estuaries, right? And the east flowing rivers that we have, they make deltas. Now, what is the difference between delta and estuary? Do you know? Class?
no, ma'am.
Anybody?
No, ma'am.
Aryan Bhardwaj?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, Bushra, Ishan Johri?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No?
I don't know.
Okay. That means class 7th, I told you about this estuary and delta. We read also when the river, we were talking about the river landforms made by the rivers, no? Chalo koi nahi, I'll tell you. See, deltas, sorry, first let us talk about estuary. Estuary is a steep sided mouth of a river devoid of any river deposits. मतलब कि इसके अंदर जैसे डेल्टा होता है ना, डेल्टा एक ट्रायंगुलर शेप का होता है, और जब रिवर फाइनली बड़े लार्जर बॉडी में जा रही होती है अपने आप मर्ज होने के लिए, उस टाइम पे इट स्टार्ट्स डिपॉजिटिंग ऑल द सेडिमेंट्स दैट इट हैड ब्रॉट थ्रू आउट. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
In a triangular, deltic regions are basically triangular in shape. If you will see, you will find that it is triangular in shape, and it is considered to be the most fertile area. The Sundarban deltas that we have you heard of the Sundarban deltas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is considered to be the fertilest place, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
On the other side, estuaries which are there, these estuaries, they are funnel like structure. आपने funnel देखा है जो
Yes, ma'am.
पेट्रोल पंप्स वगैरह
Yes,
पे,
ma'am.
हाँ पेट्रोल पंप वगैरह पे जिससे पेट्रोल डालते हैं, जब आप जो पेट्रोल टैंक होता है उसमें उसको फिट किया जाता है, फिर ऊपर से पेट्रोल डाला जाता है। आपने देखा होगा फनल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो, ठीक है। ऊपर से इट इज
Yes,
ब्रॉड,
ma'am.
पाइप लाइक, ठीक है।
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Estuaries are
Okay.
formed like
Okay,
that.
ma'am.
Estuaries are formed like that, whereas the deltas that we have, they are triangular in shape. Wait, let me show it to you. Is it clear or do I need to draw it? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this delta is a triangular area. Somewhat it looks like this, right? And an estuary is a funnel-like structure which is like this, right? Now, see the delta that we have, the river that flows. See, when the river water comes, when the river is flowing, it keeps on depositing sediments in a layer, right? We are imagining that this blue line is they are the sediments. Now over a period of time, where as the river flows continuously, it keeps on depositing all the sediments that are brought by in the passage of its what do you call passage of its movement, you can say, from Himalayas to the plains, right? Now these estuaries, these estuaries that we have, these estuaries, they keep, the water keeps on cutting the rock because it moves on the see the western part that we have, because we have Western Ghats over there, so these are all rocky surfaces, right? So because of being rocks over there, what do these rivers do? They keep cutting the upper part of the rock, and over a period of time this funnel like structure is made, right? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall okay, now talking about these things are clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
then
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
be reading about different lakes that we have. Like if I ask you how many types of lakes do we have, can you categorize lakes into parts, can you classify them?
Ma'am, some rivers comes from north and some comes from east and west.
No, my question is basically not for the west and the east part. My question is Chilika Lake. You have heard of Chilika Lake?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of lake it is?
Ma'am, salt lake.
Salt lake,
Ma'am,
right?
salt.
So in that way, I'm asking you into how many categories you can categorize these lakes.
Ma'am, one could be the lakes which have fresh water.
Very good. The other could be,
Ma'am, which have salt water.
Ma'am, mud water suitable for the lotus flower.
yes, see, salt water lakes, fresh water lakes, and then we have inland salt lake, जो एक राजस्थान में एक सांबर लेक है, ठीक है, उसको हम इनलैंड सॉल्ट लेक बोलते हैं। और एक जो है राजस्थान में ही एक डिडवाना एक लेक है, जो कि अगेन इट इज अ इनलैंड सॉल्ट लेक। आपने देखा होगा राजस्थान में आपको हार्डली यू सी वाटर बॉडीज ओवर देयर, तो ये पानी के अंदर मतलब ये इनलैंड है, मतलब लैंड के अंदर से होते हुए निकल जाती है, ठीक है, ऊपर अपेयर नहीं होती है।
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, और ये जो इनलैंड रिवर्स होती हैं, ये इनका क्योंकि इनका कोई ड्रेनेज नहीं होता है, तो ये जो है किसी भी बड़ी लार्जर बॉडी में मर्ज नहीं होती है, क्योंकि ये इतना लंबा चल ही नहीं पाती हैं कि ये मर्ज हो जाए किसी लार्जर वाटर बॉडी में। ठीक है,
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए,
Okay, ma'am.
फाइन। सो लेट मी शेयर द बुक विद यू ऑल। Is the screen visible to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us come to drainage. Fine. Now today in this class, okay, I forgot to tell you about the water divide. What is a water divide? Do you know? Divide क्या होता है? Divide करना मतलब to cut into half, यही तो
Make
होता है।
parts.
हाँ, तो वाटर डिवाइड मत का मतलब हुआ कि सॉरी, एक ऐसा हायर ग्राउंड माउंटेन की तरह जो दिखता है, अपलैंड होता है, जो कि दो एडजॉइनिंग ड्रेनेज बेसिन्स को डिवाइड करता है। जैसे ये आपको एक फिगर आपको दिख रही होगी यहाँ पे, स्ट्रीम ए एंड स्ट्रीम बी। ये जो है आपका रेज्ड प्लेटफॉर्म है वाटर डिवाइड जिसपे लिखा हुआ है। it can either be an upland or it can be a mountain or it can be a mount. तो ये जो माउंट है, इस माउंट की वजह से जो रिवर्स स्ट्रीम होती है, it gets divided into two parts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Water divide is basically a feature that separates two drainage basins, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
चलिए,
Yes.
हाँ चलो, fine. Let us have Vanshraj Gill reading.
Yes, ma'am. Drainage. The term drainage describes the river system of an area. Look at the physical map. You will notice that small streams flowing from different directions come together to form the main river, which ultimately drains into a large water body such as lake or a sea or an ocean. The area drained by a single river system is called a drainage basin. A closer observation on a map will indicate that any elevated area such as mountain or an upland separates two drainage basins. Such an upland is known as water divide.
Fine. Anything in this which is not clear to you people? Chalo. See, the world's largest drainage basin is of the Amazon River. It is already given here. Can you tell which river has the largest basin in India?
Ma'am, Ganga.
Very good.
Ganga.
It is Ganga. Okay, can we have Busha read? Can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Drainage system in India. The drainage system of India are mainly controlled by the broad relief features of the subcontinent. Accordingly, the Indian rivers are divided.
Busha, it is relief, broad relief features.
Yes, ma'am. Are divided into two major groups. First, the Himalayan River, and second, the Peninsular River. Apart from originating from the two major physiographic region of India, the Himalayan and the Peninsular River are different from each other in many ways. Most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. It means that they have water throughout the year. These rivers receives water from rain as from melted snow from the lofty mountains. The two major Himalayan rivers, the Indus and the Brahmaputra, originate from the north of the mountain ranges. They have cut through the mountains, making gorges. The Himalayan rivers have long courses from their source to the sea. They perform intensive erosional activities in their courses and carry huge loads of salts and sand. In the middle and the lower courses, these rivers from Mediterranean Ogbo lakes and many other depositional features in there.
Okay, features, Oxbow lakes and many other. Now, talking about see drainage systems in India. It tells that the drainage systems of India are mainly controlled by two broad relief features of the subcontinent. One are the Himalayan rivers and the other are the peninsular rivers. Anything in this to be explained, class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fine. See, when we say perennial, what exactly do we mean by perennial? Anybody who can tell?
Ma'am, the
Pradyush?
rivers which are
Ma'am, repeat. Ma'am, please repeat the
ma'am,
question.
which
My question is, what is meant by perennial?
And here it is written that Himalayan and the peninsular rivers are different from each other in way most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. And so I think,
Ma'am, because they receive the water from snow, melted snow also, and water from
ma'am,
lofty
perennial
mountains.
Rain.
rivers
Rain
are
as
that
well as
which have
rain
water
as well.
throughout the year.
Exactly. My question was, what is perennial? Perennial means, perennial का मतलब होता है वो जहाँ पे लगा हमेशा पानी होता है.
हमेशा पानी होता है. Yes, ma'am, right.
पानी होता है. When we say Himalayan rivers, we say they are perennial because they have water throughout the year. एक भी टाइम ऐसा नहीं होता है कि रिवर्स में पानी ना हो. बट जब हम पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स की बात करते हैं, वी से दे आर नॉन पेरिनियल. नॉन पेरिनियल का मतलब जहाँ पे पानी हमेशा नहीं होता है. जो हमारी पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स हैं, during the summer seasons they dry up completely, and when the monsoons come again, they are filled with water, right?
Right, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, then they say that these rivers receive water from rain as well as from melted snow from the lofty mountains. Suppose I ask you which rivers receive water from rain as well as from melted snow from the lofty mountains, what will you
And
say?
perennial.
Perennial rivers.
Himalayan rivers. You will say Himalayan rivers, right?
Right.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Chalo, very good. Now in the lines below, they have told you that what is the course of a river and how a river in the due course of its journey, that it starts from Himalayan rivers and finally when it merges into the larger water body, that is Bay of Bengal. So what kind of activities are done by the river? अगर हम देखते हैं तो जो अपर कोर्स होता है, जो जब ये ओरिजिनेट होती है हिमालय से, दे डू इंटेंसिव इरोजनल वर्क. इरोजनल मतलब कटिंग वर्क करती है ये बहुत ज्यादा. जो माउंटेन्स, ये रॉक्स जो होती हैं, उनको जहां जहां पे भी ये ऊपर से गिरती हैं विद प्रेशर एंड स्पीड, वहां पे ये कट्स करते हुए जाती हैं. एंड यही जो सेडिमेंट्स जिनको ये काटती हैं, ये इन सेडिमेंट्स को अपने साथ जो है नीचे भी लेके आ जाती हैं. और धीरे धीरे व्हेन इट कम्स टू दी प्लेन्स, ये वहां पे कंप्लीट डिपोजिशनल वर्क करती है और अलग अलग डिपोजिशनल फीचर्स जो हैं आर फॉर्म इन द लोअर कोर्स ऑफ द रिवर. Like they perform intensive erosional activity in their upper courses and carry huge loads of silt and sand. Then in the middle and the lower courses, these rivers form meanders, oxbow lakes, and many other depositional features. Can you see these meanders?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Okay. Features in their floodplains, they also have well-developed deltas, right? Anything in this to be explained more?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then
Oh,
comes
ma'am.
then comes the peninsular rivers. Now these peninsular rivers that we have, they are completely opposite of the Himalayan rivers, right? Like peninsular rivers, they are non-perennial. They are completely dependent on rainfall. They are seasonal rivers because during the summers they dry up, and when the monsoons are there, they are again filled with water. Their course of the what do you call the journey of these rivers in comparison to the Himalayan rivers, it is quite short. इनका जो कोर्स होता है वो काफी शैलो होता है इन कंपैरिजन टू दी हिमालयन काउंटरपार्ट्स. मतलब जो हिमालयन रिवर्स है, आप गंगा ले लो, ब्रह्मपुत्र ले लो, इनका जो कोर्स है ये काफी लंबा होता है, ठीक है, और इनका बहुत शैलोअर और शॉर्टर होता है. रीजन बीइंग, आपने देखा होगा गंगा रिवर काफी गहरी होती है, वेरी डीप इनसाइड. ब्रह्मपुत्र भी काफी डीप है, उसकी डेप्थ बहुत ज्यादा है, पर पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स की डेप्थ ज्यादा नहीं है, ठीक है, तभी कहते हैं इनके शैलो कोर्सेज हैं, राइट?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है.
Yes,
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
like it is written, can you identify two such rivers, two large rivers? Most of the rivers of peninsular India originate in Western Ghats and flow towards the Bay of Bengal. I hope ये हमने समझाया था, इतना समझ में आ गया होगा बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For today only this much. Tomorrow or day after, whenever we have a class, tomorrow we have a class, so we'll continue from the Himalayan rivers. So a short recapitulation that what we did in the class today is we read about the Himalayan rivers and we read about the river system, we read about the drainage, we read about the catchment area, we read about the watershed, we read about the water divide, we also read about delta and estuary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody who wants to ask anything? No? Everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We have
Yes,
Adarsh.
ma'am.
Ma'am, have you taken the present?
I'm taking
Attendance.
attendance. Abhi I'm taking attendance, beta. Bushra,
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Abhinath, Akshat Sharma, Adarsh Kashyap,
Present, ma'am.
Ankur Gangwar,
Present, ma'am.
then Ishan Johri,
Present, ma'am.
Divyank Mishra. Not there. Then Karthik Gangwar,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
okay. Lavish,
Present, ma'am.
Pradyunsh,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Rishabh, Rakshit Solanki, Sanidhya,
Present, ma'am.
okay.
Present, ma'am.
Then Vanshraj Gill,
Present, ma'am.
ठीक है.